Hello, my nature-loving friends. My name is Mandi Bradshaw from Unfolding the Heart, and today I'm going to be working on a new piece. So let's see how it's going to turn out. Eventually, I'm going to start using watercolor paper. Right now, I've just been kind of using what I've got, and it's pretty much just cardstock paper that you'd find at the dollar store. Something that was given to me a while back ago, and I just wanted to use it up. Okay, so what I did during the break is cut this leaf up. So now she has pretty red, luscious lips. And I also started cutting around. It's easier to create a background this way than it is to try and fill it in later. Not entirely sure what leaves these are. Just gonna look that up here. Boop! Right there is the name of these leaves. Wasn't sure really if I wanted to do this piece because there's something about her face that I don't know, something doesn't seem right. But that's okay, at least we tried, and we'll learn something for next time. Lots of love, and I will be seeing you soon.